interview. Sir, here and there may be chance you may fail. You may fail to answer actually. Then it literally affects actually, right? Be strong in subject. I mean to say, spend some time, spend some time, so with preparation. With what exactly preparation? Kind of some do preparation, like a revision actually, it will be helpful for you. The next one, especially, resume preparation is important. What is important? Especially unique resume that I can help you. You have to connect with me. Unique resume, unique resume. But resume template I will explain today. But if you are looking for kind of some your own profile, so I hope I already told actually. Imagine your friend resume, your resume should not be same. You should have your own unique profile. It helps you. Once I have prepared the resume, let me tell you, you can text me or WhatsApp actually. Daniel, can you help me the resume preparation? I can help you. But once I help you with your resume, you should not share your resume to somebody actually. If you are sharing, gone case. You yourself making your profile as a duplicate actually. Okay. Now the third point will be upload the resume. Upload what exactly, sir? Resume. So over job portals or what exactly? Job portals. Nowadays I came across over LinkedIn also, getting a more calls actually, over LinkedIn also getting a more calls. And fourth point will be once uploaded resume, then get ready. Sir, the moment once you upload the resume, the day one onwards, get ready. Every day revision required. What is required? A revision boost you. A revision it boosts you actually. Now the final suggestion. Do you want to job actually? Right? Yeah, Daniel. Ultimately, we join course and we learn course. Do you want job actually? Do you wanted to get a job? Get a job actually. If you wanted to get a job, can I tell you? Imagine what is the number actually? One in between. Let me take 10. Total how many numbers? I'm sure your job is here. Your job is here actually. Job is here. Conclusion of the story, these are all number of interviews. These are all what exactly, sir? Number of interviews. Most of the times I literally done nice R&D. Almost every student, they are going to get a job. So one student, he will tell, Daniel, I get a job in 5th interview. I get a job in 6th interview. I get a job in 2nd interview. I got a job in 9th interview. I get a job in 10th interview. Conclusion of the story, don't expect job for the first interview. I request you. Imagine tomorrow your profile got shortlisted. Somebody invited, I mean to say the company HR invited, come for interview actually. Just try to go to the interview. Don't be panic actually. Try yourself, but don't expect actually. I mean, if you wanted to get a job, you should have a experience to giving interviews. అంటే మీకు జాబ్ రావాలి అంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇవ్వడంలో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండాలి. I hope I connected nicely. Let me repeat again. If you wanted to get a job, you should have a experience. Experience for what? To give interviews. If you are given one interview, sir, I got in job in 7th interview. I got job in 7th interview, right? So every interview you have to learn actually. Your job is here, so don't expect the job in first interview itself. This is my suggestion. My suggestion. Okay. Fine then. So the resume explanation I can explain today. So resume explanation. There are two profiles. The first one is so called as a fresher profile. The next one is so called as a experienced profile actually. Experienced profile. First one is so called as a fresher profile. The next one is so called as a experienced profile. What do you mean by fresher profile, sir? It's a very simple. Let's move on. End of this session, kindly please remind me. I will upload the interview kit actually. You will get to know. Okay. Fresher. What do you mean by fresher? The one who recently done graduation. A kind of some 1 year gap also, that would be fine. Maybe here in this Word document, maybe it is not displaying, but otherwise here mail ID and this one also it will be displayed actually. Anyway, mail ID, mobile number and your name you have to display. But let me tell you, sir, being a fresher, you have to tell like from heading onwards, you have to tell you are the data scientist. Otherwise, you can add ML engineer also. You can add what exactly? ML engineer also, that would be fine. What is the summary? The summary would be, okay, let me talk about here actually. Good. I hope you need to add your name. Add name actually. I hope you know that. Make it short. Don't give me the long name. Initial name, if it is a Kasagani, that would be fine. In my resume, my name will be K Nirikshan. That's it actually. Still Nirikshan also fine. That's it. Next, let me tell you mail ID. Sir, mail ID, don't create with 1 kilometer name. Chappan sir, 1 kilometer name. Literally speaking, I don't know why you created this mail ID actually. Don't create your grandfather name, grandmother name, father name, mother name, your name. I'm sorry, not required. Just make it short. That too, my suggestion will be, if you look at my mail IDs, my suggestion is almost how I used to create, nirikshan.ds. What is a ds actually? Yeah, that sounds a lot. The next one, nirikshan dot AI at the rate. Very good. You guys, you are belongs to AI. Nirikshan.py. Don't make it PD actually. What is a PD? Pandas. That's fine. AIDS. AIDS also fine. See, then from the mail ID onward, don't add your personal mail ID. Why? Because your personal mail ID, you are CM, you may get a lot of promotions, you may get a lot of other, kind of some chain mails actually. If you are giving your personal mail ID, it's too difficult to monitor your mails actually. First one, second one, third one, how it will be. It is too difficult actually, right? Maintain separate mail ID. Maintain separate mail ID. That would be really good one. Okay. Yeah. Mobile number, I hope you know. So mobile number, that's okay. Series number is not required. Mobile number, you can give the current number only. That would be fine. Don't take new number, up to you. Not required. Now, talk with me. What is the heading? Data scientist. Now, why I have added actually? You are a fresher who given data scientist tag to you. There is a counter question here. Okay. So let me explain. I will explain. Yeah, summary. There are some technical words you are going to see. Observe here. An accomplished data scientist with a strong foundation, data analysis, predictive modeling, data driven strategy development actually. Indirectly you are telling you are very good in kind of some data analysis, machine learning model creation and predictive modeling. Predictive model means machine learning algorithms actually. You are telling you are having strong skills. That too you should use some technical words actually. That would be fine. One more point. Your resume you should know very well. Japan sir, your resume you should know. Why? Because the counter questions start from your resume only. What is the point number one? What is the point number two? Can you please explain? What do you mean by predictive modeling? See, counter questions start from what do you mean by what exactly? Predictive modeling. Then you should not say predictive modeling. Very, I'm sorry, you should not surprise actually. Okay, third point will be second point. Proven track record. Let me tell you, proven track record of extracting actionable insights from the complete data set actually. This one, let us spend some time here. Though you are a fresher, you can tell very confidently, I lent it after my graduation, I spend on an average 6 months time till nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. I spent 6 months time. I was well trained under Naresh Shetty actually. No need to tell trainer name. That's still fine. Naresh Shetty actually. Then they will come to know, yeah, throughout while I was learning, proven track record of extracting. Yeah, we played with the data set, sir. We played, sales one, sales two, sales three, fruits one. These are all data sets actual data sets. Insights from the complete. What do you mean by insert? Once we have loaded the data set, we applied all pandas operations, right? That is so called as a actionable insights actually, and implemented data driven solution and to solve real world business problem actually. Okay. Third point, proficient in programming language. Imagine you have to add Python only. Even if you know C, C++, Java, some other programming language, don't try to add actually. I request you. Unfortunately, if you are adding C, C programming and C, C++, Java, your profile may get shortlisted for C program or C++ for Java. Indirectly, your profile will become like, like a deviating actual. What you know, you can add actually. Otherwise, if you're strong in Java, you can add. If you want, you can add actually. That is up to you. Proficient programming language. I'm very proficient in programming language, which is so called as a Python. And experienced in what exactly is the data manipulation by using SQL. By using what? Kind of SQL also can add actually. Skills development. This is good, sir. Can you talk with me? What is the first word? Developed actually. Now, first of all, developed word supposed to use from the real time. I'm working employee. I can tell, sir, I have developed the model actually. But you are a fresher. How you developed? That's what I already answered actually. You learned the course. Throughout your course, you developed actually. Think like we can talk with them. There are some, projects also we have implemented, right? Developed and deployed machine learning models based on the client requirement. Here you can say directly, yeah. So my trainer, he explained, how the company requirement, the same implementation he created with the dummy data. He created with what? Sir, during interview, if you want, you can highlight with Kaggle websites actually. Kaggle data sets. What data set? If you're talking like a Kaggle data sets actually, that guy will impress you. Oh, this guy knows some knowledge actually. That helps you. Collaborated, cross functionality with the understanding their data needs actually. This is something like, that's what I told maybe during EDA. Imagine to delete the missing value. That is not a joke actually. Not that much, very simple. We should talk with the client. We need to have a kind of some internal meetings actually. Collaborated cross functionality. Before that, we have another team, data analytics team, who can have a kind of conversation with us also. Provided the data driven recommendations that enhance the decision making actually. I know these are all complete literal, so technical words actually. Decision making will be done by using machine learning algorithms actually. Okay. Utilized the data visualization. What libraries we have used, sir? Matplotlib, next one, Seaborn with Python, and what exactly? Or you can tell them fundamentals, that's it. Fundamentals. To create and once you are telling proficient in Python programming language, interview starts from Python, Sarji. I'm repeating again. Imagine you came for my panel. You came for my company and I need to start taking interview. From where I need to start, tell me. Let me tell you, if I start from machine learning, if I start from deep learning, literally that is a wrong actually. Being a data scientist, you came for a data science job actually. I should start from what is written. What is data structure? What is list? Explain about list comprehension. If you are able to explain about the list data structure, then you know the data frame data structure. Am I right or not, sir? Why? Because similar features. What is there actually? Okay. Once if you prove, sir, I am very good in Python, then the next round would be pandas. Next questions will be pandas. Once you are comfortable Python pandas actually, the next questions I will start from machine learning. Next questions I will start from. Now the next questions. Before asking the next question, I will ask you one question. See, I will ask a question. That question will be, did you work on deep learning? Or else did you work on text-based model actually? If you applied as a data scientist, by default, you should know machine learning. By default, you should know. But don't think like, every data scientist, he will work with the deep learning. It's not like that actually. It's not like that. Sir, model you worked or not, that model, it can be ML model, DL model, NLP model. If you know one experience, either you worked in a ML, DL or NLP actually, they will train according to, according to the requirement actually, right? So where are we? Yeah, Daniel utilized data visualization tools like a Matplotlib, Seaborn with Python and Power BI to create what exactly, sir? Informative dashboards and report stakeholders, resulting in, improved the data accessibility and comprehension actually. Participated in a data pipeline. Go back to our project, we done the pipeline actually. Did you remember? Right. So we have created a pipeline development, data engineering task to ensure the data quality and availability of analysis actually. Online team, are you following? I trust you guys are following, Sarji. That's still okay. Okay. Now let's move on. Just a skill summary. You are explaining what you done. What are tasks you know actually. And the technical stack. Technical stack, Python, pandas, data analysis, Mat. What are libraries you can add, Sarji? scikit-learn, machine learning, deep learning, predictive modeling, NLP actually. Now let me tell you. Can you tell me what do you mean by Gen AI? Generative AI. During interview in Gen AI, what you have done means you can tell I have done one POC. POC means proof of concept. Proof of, but you should not tell Gen AI since 2 years I'm working actually. Otherwise, Gen AI I'm working since 1 year actually. If you are saying since 1 year, maybe the one who is taking interview, he started recently. He will do R&D on you actually. Oh, let us start, sir. Let me know what early you worked actually. What I mean to say that is, sir, imagine if it is a recent technology, a recent module, you have to add in your resume just for showcase actually. Just for what, sir? Showcase, and you should know some fundamentals. But you should not say, I'm done deep dive actually. If you're having some deep knowledge, that would be helpful for you. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay? Yeah. Can I? Let's move on. Good. So the first one, though this one is a fresher profile, 10th class you have to add actually, intermediate you have to add, next one graduation you have to add. If you're from PG also you can add actually. I mean to say your qualification, college name, location, pass of year out actually, education. This one is education you have to, academic profile actually. Next one project you have to be include. One project would be more than enough. That project you have to be very strong actually. The project what you are adding, that would be very strong. This project I can help you from the research paper. From what, sir? Research paper. I hope I know the many websites having the many research papers actually. I used to maintain always unique profile. I used to share to the students. Best example, when you can reach me for resume preparation, once you're done with preparation, I request you, once you're done with preparation, either 5 days or 1 week, then you can reach me. Once if you are saying, Daniel, can you help me the resume preparation? No counter question. Immediately I will help you. Immediately I will help you actually. I never cross question. Are you done preparation? Right? Why resume now? No. I will help you. Make a note on this one. Anyway, this project explanation I am skipping. Why? Because this project you are not adding. This project, this is the dummy profile. The project looks like this. This one is the project, name of the project, and what technical details you have used actually. Abstract you need to be added, and these are all roles and responsibilities you have to add. That's what you need to be understand. Sir, fresher profile is very easy. Fresher profile is what exactly? Very easy actually. Okay. Online team, did you understand, Sarji? I need one response from anybody. Here, let us spend some time. Here, let us spend some time. This one is experienced profile. No, I'm sorry, I'm not getting any response from anybody. What happened? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now I'm getting response. Sanjay Garu, are you currently studying, pursuing actually? Are you the same one who used to come for offline? No response, that's still okay? Okay. You got it right? Fresher profile? Hmm? Yeah. So it's a very easy. Let me help you. Good. Educational section of fresher resume. Do we have only add college means education details and can we add 10th, 12th? That's what, sir. That's what here I have given 4 fields actually. So if you closely observe, you can include Sarji, 10th class. Are you able to see? Here, think like this one is a 10th class. So next intermediate, graduation. If you're done post graduation, that you can include actually. You can include. Percentage also you can include. That's still okay. Okay. Fine then. And sometime few students are asking, can I create a single page profile? That's still okay. One page profile also okay. You can create. Nowadays it is trending. One page profile, adding your photo actually. That would be okay. Up to you. Okay. Next one, let me talk about experienced profile. Fresher guy, you guys also listen. Why? Because you will become experienced. So after you joined as a company, I'm sure everyone will get a job, and the experience profile, how it looks, you will get an idea. Always specify. Let me tell you, you are the data scientist. That's it. You are the data scientist. Explain. You can just have to specify your name here, mail ID, abc.a actually, and mobile number. Sir, best example. I hope I already told that story. When I was trying for job actually, I called to my friend and I asked to share your resume. Then I have taken that resume, mostly updated 3 fields actually. What are those fields, Name, mail ID, mobile number, academic also. Academic, just a percentage I changed. We both are from same college. Same district, same college actually. That's what, just a percentage I changed actually. So, don't do that mistake. Learn from mistake. That's what I'm suggesting. If you are from experience, yeah, it was also happened for you. Why you are smiling, maybe me could alage jaruguntadi. Okay, that's still okay. Holding 3.2 years of experience in software development. Let me tell you, imagine you are having some X gap, a kind of some best example. Let me tell you, I can talk about this one. When you're talking about the experienced profile, team listen carefully. Few guys are working professionals, working on different domain. Few guys are having gap. Let me talk, let me talk like this separately. Having gap actually. If you are working professional, imagine, can I talk with you? So imagine you are already having kind of some 5 years of working, or else for any years, that's still okay. 5 years or 6 years or 7 years or 10 years also, that would be fine. No worries. What you guys need to do, last to 3 years. What exactly, sir? Last to 3 years, you have to showcase. You have to showcase as working in data science. Working in what, sir? Data science. Then create a resume. I will help you adding projects actually, adding projects. Then start giving interview. Start giving what exactly, sir? Interview. This is a good pattern. Let me tell you, in IT, let me tell you, in software company, whenever you're trying for company, there is no BGV. There is no BGV for your project details. Best example, can I talk with you? So think like I'm Daniel. Working in JP Morgan. Right. Now I started giving interview. So this is some kind of some new company. Infosys company. What company, Sarji? Infosys company. Now Infosys company will do the BGV. What do you mean by BGV? Background verification. Infosys company will send mail to the JP Morgan and they will ask, is Daniel your employee? And they will ask starting date and ending date actually. That's it. But Infosys company never ask any question. Let me know either his role is a data scientist or not. Either he is working in so-and-so project or not. No. That kind of check is not there actually. Then in IT, that is added advantage. Then what we can, that's why all other domain guys also learning data science actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? నేను ఏమంటున్నాను అంటే, ఇండస్ట్రీలో బీజీవీ ఉంటుంది, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వెరిఫికేషన్ చేస్తారు. కానీ మీరు ఏ డొమైన్ మీద వర్క్ చేశారు, ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీద వర్క్ చేశారు? నో. There is no kind of some BGV actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Yeah, good. Next one, having gap. Having what exactly, sir? Gap. If you are having gap actually, either 1 year or 2 year or 3 year or 4 year actually, sir, trust me, you are blessed actually. I know the pain. Daniel, you are telling blessed actually, but I'm having 1 year pain, 1 year gap. I know, since 1 year I'm waiting to get a job actually. Trust me, sir. You can add experience and you can just have to create a resume. You can create a what exactly, sir? Resume and start giving interview. Can I tell you today? I hope I already told. Start giving what exactly? Interview. I started my career like that only. I was started my career what exactly, sir? Like that only. I do have a gap around 1.5 year actually. I added experience and I tried. That's it I got actually. My first package will be 6 lakhs. Don't ask current package. My first package is 6 lakhs actually. Amazing. That is seriously amazing. Okay. In the year of 2000, around 12 actually. That's what you need to get an idea. I joined as a Java developer, sir. Online team, are you following? Can I get one response from anybody? One response, please. It's okay, sir. Let them check. Even imagine if you wanted to add an experience, Not every company will give the PF actually. You can tell them I'm working in a startup company. If it is a startup company, if it is a less than 100 employees actually, they will not provide the PF. You can manage in such a way that also. I'm sure, no, hold on, sir. I'm sure you can check your network actually. There are some companies that companies are not giving PF also that we can take advantage. We can get the, consultancy documents and we can manage actually. That is possible. Okay. Yeah. Sir, let me tell you. Imagine if you're having 1 year of experience, I'm sorry, 1 year of gap, 1.5 year of gap, 2 year of gap, that's still okay. You can still try as a fresher. That would be fine. Swami Garu, hope you understand. Imagine if you're having Daniel last 1 year. So I lent off almost half year you are with here only. Half year you are here only. There is a good reason. That's still okay. You can directly tell them like, I have joined in a course and so I have learned the course in such a way that nicely. 1 year, 2 years. TCS and Infosys company will allow as a fresher only. If you want, you can cross verify. I'm sure on this. Okay. Where are we? Maybe I'm okay. Let me start explain about this profile also. You'll get an idea. Holding 3.2 years of experience in a software development, deployment and supporting large scale distributed application. All are real-time keywords only. One more point. If you wanted to add an experience, don't add exactly 3.0 years of experience, 2.0. They will come to know your, sir, you're adding an experience. They will come to know. Instead of that, what we can do, you can add a word around 2 years. Imagine, do you have a kind of some 4 years gap actually? Kind of some you done some other work, now you wanted to add actually. What you can do, 3.8 you can show in your resume. 3.8, more believable, more trustable actually. More trustable, okay? Holding 3.2 years of experience in software development. Yeah, in IT company I have worked actually. Deploying, supporting large scale distributed application. Kind of you worked with the huge data sets. Around 3.2 years of extensive experience in what exactly, man? I mean to say, my IT experience is the 3.2, and I already working on data science, you are telling. Daniel, what is the meaning of these two actually? Can I tell you? Imagine you started a career in the year of 6 years before. First, you need to tell always your total experience. Later, you need to tell from previous experience, I do have a extensive. What do you mean by extensive? Sir, I started IT career before 6 years. From past to 3.2 years onwards, I am working as a data scientist. You are split actually. You have to split. You have to divide. మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? Okay. Understanding the business objective, developing the models that helps to achieve them actually, along with the metrics to track them. Simple. You need to talk like you have created a model. Yeah. No worries. Sure, sir. Sure. Yeah. Online team, we have an admin here actually. So let me just try to hold the session. I will connect again in another few minutes. And so kindly please share your feedback. Online team, I'm just trying to, giving the control to the admin actually. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, good evening, online and offline students. So I'm from the management team. So today came to take the feedback. Okay, just you can open the Google Classroom. Just click that link. You will find the feedback form there. So try to share your feedbacks and concerns, anything lacking and what you're expecting from your end. So it's hardly takes some 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure everyone share your, give your mail ID. It's very important. So whatever feedbacks you are giving, it will be kept confidential. Okay, so nothing will be revealed. So no one will ask you why you have given this feedback. You all students, can you hear me? Just response in the chat box. Just open the Google Classroom. Mr. Daniel class. Yeah, kindly go through the feedback questionnaires. So already some 10 to 11 questions are there. Just share your feedback, concerns. So till now, whatever the topics have been covered, just you can share that feedback. Okay. So how are the classes going? So any changes you want to bring, just you can share your feedback. One last question then mentioned there. How to improve the training sessions? So this link will disable after 20 minutes. So this is the right time where you can share your concerns and feedback. So it's very, very important for the management as well as for the faculty. So the management want to see the feedback, what you're giving. Just please respond in the chat box after completing your feedback as done, or you can raise your hand. So that the respected faculty can resume your classes back. Just you can take some 5 minutes. Thank you, Jayesh, for sharing your valuable feedback. Thank you, Priya Madhuri. So this feedback is concerned about your courses only. Okay. So anything else apart from that also can mention it. So online student, make sure everyone share your feedbacks and concerns. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Jalal, for sharing your valuable feedback. Thank you, Bhavita. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Reshma, for sharing your valuable feedback. So on regular basis, we will be taking the feedback from you. The offline students, have you done? Thank you, Sai Kiran. Thank you, Umadevi. Thank you, Shiv-Kumar, for sharing your valuable feedback. Thank you, Mr. Nageshwar Rao. You can take last 2 more minutes. So the rest, the link will disable after some 15 to 20 minutes. So try to make use of it. So you can go on and share your feedbacks and concerns. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm back actually. Sorry, even I was in faculty room, but I'm not aware the feedback collection is over. Just now I came actually. Can you hear me? My voice is clear, right? I need one response from anyone. Oh, no response. Okay. Gitika ma'am, thank you. Thank you for calling. If you didn't call, gone case actually. Maybe I can wait till 7. Somebody, Gitika ma'am, she called. Okay. Where are we? Let me just try to walk through, you will get an idea. Fine then. Currently, I'm explaining about the topic. The topic name is so called as a experienced profile. So how you can try as experienced actually. This is the very common in industry, sir. This is the very common. It's a kind of some dare step, but it is very easy. Here, what is investment? Subject is investment. What is investment? Subject. You should have a proper, strong preparation actually. Understanding the business objective and developing the models that helps to achieve them actually. So here the main motto will be either you are a fresher or experienced actually. Our main motto will be creating the models. That's it. That role is awesome role. When somebody talking about the AI, data scientist, ML engineer, let me tell you model creation only. ML model or DL model or NLP text based actually anything would be fine. Worked in between the product development and team with the customer for new features and predictive deliveries actually. This is something like indirectly we are telling boss, I worked with the team for what? Product development actually. I used to have a calls with the client weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly. These kind of calls actually. Weekly in the sense every week we would have a call. Indirectly you are telling I do have a, I used to interact with the customer actually. That's still fine. But one small update. Once you get a job, immediately the day one onwards, they will not give a chance to talk with the client. Just you have to follow up them. Other guys, they will update their task, and you have to listen how they are updating. Slowly by slowly, you yourself will get interest. I want to update actually. Okay. Having work experience in Python program, yeah, this is mandatory. You should tell you are very good in Python and machine learning and data science related libraries actually. And implemented recommendation engine. So this you need to walk through kind of some ML algorithms actually. Recommend other menu items based on what exactly, sir? Past order. And having experience on essential machine learning libraries like a NumPy, blah, blah, blah. What all we learned actually I have added here. And here you can add a few more other libraries also like a Crew AI. Did you remember agentic AI actually? Crew AI you can add. If you know OpenAI also you can add actually. Okay. Analyzing the machine learning algorithm that could be used to solve the given, sorry, let me read from here. Solve the given problem and ranking them by their what exactly, sir? Success probability. Exactly the last project. In last project, what we done, we have taken the data and we applied almost all models actually. Then we are giving the ranking to them. So which algorithm is the best one according to the time frame, according to what exactly score. Exploring and visualizing the data to gain an understanding of it actually and identifying the difference in it. Nothing, sir. What it mean? Once we have created the model, it's the right time you have to visualize which model is the best. This is kind of some models report actually. Models, what exactly, sir? Report. Now, experience in building and scaling the models. What do you mean by scaling? Imagine if one model is not working, we have to add one more model. That is so called as a scaling for data and building the predictive maintenance algorithm. So a kind of some small table, Python programming language, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, these are all kind of some data science platform, Anaconda distribution. Why Anaconda distribution? Just for Jupyter. Just for what? Jupyter. Anyway, instead of Anaconda, you can tell directly Jupyter. I hope I already told this point. Jupyter you can install in a two ways. రెండు రకాలుగా install చేయొచ్చు. One through Anaconda. Next one in a local directly. But if you are using Anaconda, what happen, sir? Your system will become very slow. Chala slow అవుతుంది. It occupies almost 3 to 4 GB of your memory actually. PyCharm also you can add. PyCharm I done, I guess. Right. The next one, Oracle or MySQL. You can delete the Oracle, MySQL you can add actually. Defect tracking tool. This you need to walk through one small YouTube actually. YouTube or any chat GPT. Generally, in a company, we used to get a requirement. We used to get a requirement in a tool. We used to get a requirement in what exactly, sir? Tools actually, tools. That tool is so called as a Jira tool. Imagine client wanted to give one task, then client will create a one small, ticket actually. In that ticket, they will tell load the data. Simple, a small task actually, load the data, and they will specify data details actually, right? Fine, then professional experience. One important point. Tim, are you planning to add any experience, or else you wanted to try as an experience actually? You no need to add your education details entire actually. 10th class, intermediate, graduation. These are all things you no need to add. Instead of that, you just need to add only one. What is that one? Graduation. That would be fine. That would be fine. You can just have to add like, so Bachelor of Engineering. You no need to tell 10th intermediate, not required actually. If you added actually, your profile will become like a fresher profile. Make a note on this. Professional experience. Then you can talk like, where you are working currently these days. You can explain to that. And data scientist at Infosys as a contract actually. Now here there is a one material. That material is so called as a, you know, first one will be telephonic interview. What interview, sir? Telephonic interview. Telephonic interview. And the next one will be introduction, self introduction. Self what exactly, sir? Introduction. Introduction. Today I can share these two material, but I will give a small idea also. All right. Can I include here? Fine then. Yeah. September 2019. So this is I have created a dummy profile. Make a note actually. Data scientist at what exactly, sir? Infosys has a contract. Good. Best example, let me tell you. Imagine if anyone is working already company, you can add your company name. Next one, if anyone having any gap actually, what you guys need to do, you have to reach one consultancy. You can get the documents from the consultancy. You can tell them during interview, my company have deployed in top MNC company, which is so called as Infosys. Then you can use that company name as a Infosys as a one word you have to add actually. What is that word, sir? Then you may ask a question. Why I should not add consultancy name? Sir, let me tell you, company name really matters. What matters? Company name. Best example, if you're adding in your resume as a top MNC, automatically recruiters will put more interest and eyesight actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Qualification, here you need to specify qualification. Project details. Would you like to add an experience actually? I'm sure 2 projects required, no doubt in that. 2 projects. One is ML based actually. The next one will be Pandas based. First one will be model creation. Next one will be EDA. During interview, how you need to tell, though you are adding on an average 2 to 3 years of experience, you can tell them directly. I started my career in a data skill actually, like a data analysis. We used to get a data and we used to apply pandas, and these are all things we need to tell. Later on, from the data analysis, I got an opportunity to work as a model engineering, so model creation actually. So always current project is the first project. Current, what project you are working, that we have to add as a first project actually. Sometimes few companies they will ask project duration also. Yeah, we can add here actually. Ikkada manu duration add cheyali. Duration add cheyali. Yeah, so maybe I already told project I'm not going to explain. Why? Because I will help you with the unique profile. I will help you with what exactly, sir? Unique profile. Resume to resume project should be different. Then only your profile will be shortlisted and it is a unique profile actually. Okay. Maybe did you uploaded these resumes actually in a Google Classroom? No, let me upload these two. And so anyway, project details would be a project name, role, technical environment, and a kind of some abstract we have to add. Roles and responsibilities. What is your roles and what exactly you used to do? These are all things we have to include actually. And project number 2, online product purchase. And can you talk with me? What is the role? Data engineer. But always the interview focus will be on current project. If you have a some, sir, can I tell you? During interview, mostly he will target 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes on the interview. How long time? If you are hold him technically, like what he is asking, you are able to answer. What he is asking, you are able to answer. What he is asking, you are able to answer. Out of 30 minutes, if you are able to hold him for 20 minutes, actually, you can crack interview. Here, the most of the time, people will give 1 minute answer. What answer? 1 minute, like a single word answer actually. If I'm asking what is list actually, you may answer list is data structure. Then you will be silent actually. List is data structure, I know very well actually. I'm expecting some explanation. Now, avoid one line answer. So, best example, though he's planning to take 30 minutes, right? Kill the time by giving more answer actually. It's not like more paragraphs and paragraphs. Follow our material more than enough. That would be really helpful actually. Right. Even yesterday, Rajesh, he shared his experience actually. So maybe there was some internship and almost how many members came? 800 members came actually for interview. He also given. The interview went very well actually. Out of 800, trust me, single digit actually. Few guys selected. He's one of the candidate actually. The way he told, sir, I prepared our material very well. Only from our material I'm able to answer. We are able to crack interview actually. So our material is, frankly speaking, prepare our material thoroughly. More than enough, I can say that. Okay. These are all things I can help you. I mean, like a unique profile. That's what I would like to say. Next one would be, let me open interview kit. Actually, this I can zip and I can upload actually, but what it contain I will tell you today. Interview kit. But anyway, these material are being getting updating now. Currently it is in review mode actually. Updated one also I can share with you, but it takes some time. Oh, where is interview kit, sir? Yeah, here it is. If you open the interview kit, and the first one would be 1 minute. Yeah, introduce yourself. Is it okay? Can I maintain order actually? Oh, hold on. So I wanted to make it, this one would be the one. Can you help me? Data science preparation. Introduce yourself actually. Introduction yourself. This one would be 2. Python introduction. Let me give as a 3. Not introduction. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you, Sarji. This would be the 4. And Python, this would be the, can you help me? 3. All right. Now this would be the fresher. This would be the 2. Yourself and interview preparation. This would be the 0. Okay. This is experienced, especially 0. Okay. Can I make it kind of some 2.1 more clarity? Good. NLP document also I can share. It is in under review actually. And yeah, good. Make a note on this one. Here you can find introduce yourself. One day I explain, I guess. Yeah. Kindly please make a note on this one. Experience level, telephonic interview also. Telephonic in the sense what exactly, sir. Maybe uh, throughout interview, whatever they will ask, I made it like a questions, and you guys need to walk through this. I request you. Trust me, these kind of documents you never get from anywhere. So it helps you. I list out everything. First what they will ask, HR recruiter, can I speak to the Daniel? Imagine I myself is trying for job. Now HR will call and he will call. Yes, Daniel speaking. May I know who is on the line? Kind of some communication, conversation I have kept actually. Then recruit from Capgemini guy. Recruiter he will tell. This is Naresh, not Naresh IT. Right. So speaking from Capgemini company, I'm from HR department and I got your profile from job portal. This is the conversation. If you are new, you don't know the conversation, right? That's what I kept in a document. Actually, just try to walk through. Like you can feel Tom and Jerry conversation actually. Are you with me or not, sir? You can feel that. The next one you need to walk through Python, Pandas, and machine learning, deep learning actually. NLP material it is in under review. And Gen AI also. Gen AI LLM questions is under review. Apart from that, everything I done actually. I already done, but I'm revising. That would be really helpful. So based on best example, old students, they used to give interview. They will tell few questions, try to add in our material. Actually, I used to add and I used to upload in a Google Classroom. That's what, please be available in Google Classroom actually. I request you. Okay. I can take up your questions. First, let me upload this. Anyone having any questions, I can take up actually. Now, 1 minute, online team. You guys are in Google Class, WhatsApp, right? You guys are in WhatsApp. Let's have a conversation and communication over WhatsApp. Walk through the interview kit only after your preparation. Only after your preparation. First two material is in high priority. Second one would be interview kit actually. Okay. Did I miss anything? Okay. And please don't leave Google Classroom. I will be more active, and if you want, you can cross verify other groups actually. I will be more active here onwards. If any new material, kind of some new material, individually sharing with you is highly impossible. I may not reach you. That is highly impossible. Even that is not fair also. I can upload only in Google Classroom. If you are in Google Classroom, I hope you know the process how to download the material actually. Okay. Kind of some industry updates, workshops actually. And these are all things. Chappan sir. Okay, can I upload actually? All running notes in, okay, okay. Yeah, that I can help. All materials and all running notes, all PDFs, I guess, right? All PDFs, comma, running notes, I will create zip and actual, I will create zip later. I will create zip actual. I have already. Let me cross verify. We'll share, Sarji. We'll share. Okay. So any questions from your side? Right. How is the journey? Sir, from tomorrow onwards, tomorrow onwards, actually, no regular session, no batch also. I'm not handling any, so it's okay. No regular session. Uh, but maybe luckily, I'm taking for one batch Gen AI, that recorded sessions I will share with you. You don't need to wait for weekend actually. Generally, the Gen AI sessions, I used to take during weekend actually. During what exactly? It won't take much time. 2 to 3 weekends, that's it actually. Luckily, maybe for one batch, I'm already taking. I will request admin. I will get the videos actually. I will share those videos you need to walk through actually, right? Weekend. Otherwise, I will share recorded videos. Recorded videos actually. Recorded what exactly? Videos. That's what you have to be understand. So maybe thank you. Most of the guys yesterday you have shared your feedback to me personally. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry, the last few words from my side. Throughout the session, I enjoyed our session very well. If I spelled any mistake, if I speak anything wrong, if I get any angry on anybody, actually, I hope you know about my nature. I never target anyone. I never say any wrong words about anyone. But I'm sorry if I hurts anyone. I'm sorry for this. Why? Because But trust me, from your side, the best gift is text me as Daniel. I got a job actually. That is the best gift for me. Many students, you can't believe, weekly I used to get a 2 to 3 text messages weekly. When I see that message, you can't believe, I used to get a little tears actually. That's a great achievement for me. Why? Because yeah. Last 6 months you attended, sir. All right. I'm junior to you, sir, but still, so saying, God bless you. Make my life more capable to do the things from motivation and the teaching and help me to give you turn to actually. Nagiswara Sarji, really miss your classes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And I'm sure you became very good in subject, no doubt in that actually. And one more small point I wanted to tell you. Daniel, why very late actually? Sir, initially during the demo, I promised like it will be around some 3 to 4 months. This is the data science. Not even single day, I never feel I need to finish this topic very quickly. No. My nature is not like that. Even if it is the last statement pending, I will tell, we done today's session, we'll continue tomorrow. Am I right or not, sir? My nature is like that. Of course, it was delayed. I'm extremely sorry for this, but don't mind on this one actually. Okay, fine then, right? So we'll meet again. We'll definitely will meet again actually. Okay. So at last, I hope I asked good names, I guess already. Okay. You are having my number, right? మీకు మీ దగ్గర నా నంబర్ ఉంది కదా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ my permanent mail ID. You can just have to go for Daniel Janya, that would be fine. Daniel Janya. If mail ID changed, I can update actually, but it never changed. The next one, my mobile number actually 809 5634 772. Okay. Jay Sarji, let me know the date definitely. Why I will angry, sir? Students, they used to invite. Okay, if I invite, will you come to my marriage? I'm sure, sir. Where is the location? Tell me I need to, take leave from Naresh Shetty actually. Okay. So how are you guys? So let me tell you, in your career, there are a few last words actually. In your career, job really matters. Job really matters. Why? Because, your family depends on you. Let me tell you, there are some, maybe randomly, I have given some motivational words for you. Job matter, your career matter, your family matter, all things are other things. Don't be serious actually. Don't take all other activities. Subject matter, your career and your family, these three really matters actually. If you are missing anything, gone case, right? So try to be aligned with actually. I'm sure, may God bless you. Everybody will get a job actually, but subject matters. What matters? Subject matters. I do have other WhatsApp groups. Those are all only working employees. Maybe I'm very far from WhatsApp group. That's what you didn't even see text message actually. But if it is technical discussion, I will be very active. Many messages I used to get from group. Daniel, would you have a kind of some requirement, any profile? Sir, I believe subject. If anyone is really good in preparation, you can text me directly. Daniel, I'm very good in preparation. First point, I'm very good in preparation. Refer me. Then I can refer. I can refer in the sense I can share your profile in that group. You will get a call directly actually. Directly. You can believe those guys. Why? Because they're all Daniel students actually. They're very fair in terms of technical actually. Okay. Fine, Sarji. Tomorrow onwards, try to enjoy. You can sleep actually afternoon time. Okay. No need to attend the session actually. Fine then. We'll connect again. And so thank you. Thank you for having a trust on me. And if time permits, we'll connect again actually. Good. Take care. And all the best for your career. And here is the Daniel. You can take my number. Online team, thank you. Thank you.